around this way so you can see what's up on the screen.
Because I do food cooking. This is a business expense. Come on. It makes such a difference. If you do have your hands in the whoops.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, so quick.
I didn't pay attention to be honest. I'll edit it for you.
Okay.
You can always change it. Yeah.
So what I got here is just my camera roll, like regardless if you're using iPhone or Android, obviously we all know how to access our gallery, right? A couple of, let me just unload, hopefully it will let me. Yeah, okay. So this is CapCut. CapCut is a free app created by the same company that created TikTok. And it's free. It's got a premium version. The premium version is about $120 a year. I think honestly, for some of the conveniences, it's so worth it if you're doing this sort of content all the time. So there's two ways you can create video content. I'll show you a quick way. So like no fuss, really quick using Instagram templates, and then I'll show you like a little bit more of the CapCut version as well. Okay. So you've got CapCut. But you've also got Instagram, obviously. Now, even if you just use Instagram to create and download and then upload it or wherever you want, you can do that. You don't have to use it. Let me start with a quick way. It's just really quick. We call it a quick and dirty edit. Takes you 5 seconds, maybe not 5, maybe 2 minutes. But Instagram. Right. So down the bottom, there is a little plus symbol. You go plus. Just started the video. And along the bottom you've got like your story, you've got your reel. But up the top you have this thing called templates. Templates in Instagram include the audio, they include the like the cuts, the edits, and sometimes even different transitions or effects. Now, unfortunately, if you download it, so if you create it in Instagram templates but you download it, it won't download the music because music is only copyright free as long as it's within the app. Okay, so you can't use audio from Instagram outside of the Instagram app. So that's the only thing to note. If you download it, you might need to re-add it or reapply it when you upload. Templates. These are all templates. Let's add this one. Okay, you see how it's got the music? Just watch as I go. It's got the music and then it changes really quickly. So let me play this. Okay, that's an Instagram template. That's the little Instagram template package. Down the bottom, you see there's all these spaces and there's an add media. All I have to do is select the video that I've just captured. So say this particular template has how many? I'm not going to count that. 1, 2, maybe 15 or something, a dozen, yeah? I just have to make sure that I've captured a dozen different shots. So then I go add media. This is going to be the summary of my day. Don't know what.
Yeah, like around 10 clips.
10 different, yeah, it was about. It will tell me when it's reached the end. One more. Okay, I need one more. Is that enough? Yeah, okay, click limit reached. So I've just picked out, now what it's going to do is going to just take the middle, like the best part of it. You can still adjust it, but it's loading. This is your quick and dirty edit. Just count how many, there's hundreds of different templates to choose from. Yeah, it's just taking a little while for it.
What's the benefit again, sorry, of using templates?
It just saves you time. Like it includes the music, the transitions, the cuts. You don't have to do anything. And
I think they're really like established, like
yeah.
trendy sites.
Yeah.
But honestly, I think we use that. I've tried to make my own. That's just seeing that is good.
Okay.
Just like
That was the reason for me too. Because I don't use social media, but now I have to.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, well, I don't know how to use these reels.
Yeah.
I've tried trying to YouTube it, and I'm like,
Let me try and do
let me
it.
just sort of pause.
Oh,
It's
it's
better.
Is it because it's running out of space on your phone?
I just delete that because I just want videos.
What did you just do again?
Delete.
Deleted the text. There was like purple layers here, and I just want the video.
But if you wanted to,
You can add it, yeah, if you wanted to. But if I hit like edit, so I just hit, no, it's just zoomed out, so I can just with my fingers pinch it. If I wanted a better bit, so like there was a really horrible shot somewhere, and they're all a bit random. But just to show, this one was like so bad. Right, if I wanted to adjust the section of that one, I could just adjust. That whole shot was that was.
So can you cut part of those pictures though?
You can, but because the template's set, like it's, if you start to shrink, it's gonna remove the
So you should
synchronization.
already edit your video beforehand before you upload into the template.
You can do that. It's an extra step. Otherwise, you just come here, adjust the section to the bit that you want. This whole shot was not very good, but I'm going to use that just for the sake of using something. Right. So yeah, each like you don't want to shorten it. You can see the yellow bar on the side. You can shorten that, but that's going to take the video out of sync with the audio. So this is just quick, dirty, edit, pick your footage, adjust the section, and then click on the video. And so I should be able to play it. Okay. It's from here, I would download this. So see that download button up in the top corner?
Yeah.
It's going to download without the audio because the audio is copyright. And it couldn't save it because it was too long. Because my memory is completely out. I've installed too many apps today and I need to upload some. But let me just show you, I've got another draft. Actually, I might have another copy of it. It really is that easy.
You could dump your bin, your trash, with that. Free.
No, I've got to upload some apps. So actually, let me see if I can delete some apps. Actually, I think it'll just take